Hey there folks, and welcome to this video. Let's ignore this kind of mess that you see on screen with me. Let's look at this thing that's on screen now. Hyundai have just unveiled a new car. It's the i20N. And, well, it's fascinating. Well, it's going to be a 1.6 litre engine, producing just over 200 horsepower, top speed of 230 kilometers per hour, which is, what, just over 130, 140 mile per hour. A 0 to 62 times to 0 to 100 km per hour of 6.7 seconds, and, well, looks quite fascinating. Now I want to compare it to the Toyota GR Yaris, which recently came out. And, well, both of them are doing a lot of similar things. Both of them are based off of WRC technology. Both of them are designed to be hot hatches. And both of them do different things. Whilst the Toyota is more powerful, a bit faster, and has a 3-cylinder engine, it also carries 4 people, and I believe the i20 carries 5. At the same time, the Toyota is a few centimeters shorter. However, it is also about 1.5 centimeters taller, about 5 centimeters wider. The wheelbase, well, there's 2 centimeters in it, but the Yaris has a shorter wheelbase. But what's quite interesting is you've got both of them 6-speed manual transmission. Both of them have got complicated techie stuff with the differential and drive systems. And yeah, like I said, both of them are designed to be hot hatches that can take to the track. And I find this really interesting. Like, we can talk about the rumours that Hyundai might leave the WRC, or how Toyota had to shelve a plan to bring the Gazoo Racing Yaris to the WRC for 2021. But, at the same time, if you went back about 15 years, the i20 was the Gets. And you know what the Yaris at the time looked like as well. Now, do you believe if you told somebody back then that these two would be the hot hatches to have, they believe you? Around the time that Citroën are launching the C2, around the time that Peugeot are phasing out the 206 going into 207, Fiesta ST always strong, Corsa and I guess the Astra as well, as it's going into its bigger shape, goes getting the VXR badges. Do you think you'd be going, oh yeah, 15 years from now, the two hot hatches that people are going to be looking for with WRC technology, because they've just both been champions, are the Hyundai Getz, or the new version of it, and a Toyota Yaris? You'd be laughed at. Man, the way technology's come along. I think it's fascinating, and it seems like this is about to be a base for a rally car as well. Maybe a couple. So, yeah. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I don't really do stuff talking about the motoring industry. I usually talk more about motorsports. But I thought, when I saw this come up, I was like, this is interesting. And because it derives from WRC technology, because they both do, I thought it would be a good idea to, well, have a bit of a talk about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.